jacket, lost in the chill. Broken laces in my shoes, can't climb that hill. Broken hearted as of lately, feels like I've nothing left to lose. Sitting here wrapped in memories, wrestling with my blues. That's the way it is, she said. What does it mean anymore? Better days we shared in laughter, you still have a key to my door. Oh, I keep searching for that part of you, and every line of the songs that we knew, like whispers in the night, they echo our refrain, holding on to shadows where we left our pain. All those songs will stay as written in a binder of the past, where they'll stay happy and unspoiled. There our love will last. We might catch ourselves humming melodies, walking down the road, or smiling as we remember all those days we loved and glowed. Fading photographs in sepia tones capture the light of moments that we banked when everything felt right. Oh, I keep searching for that part of you in every line of the songs that we knew, like whispers in the night, they echo our refrain, holding on to shadows where we left our pain. Nothing lasts forever, oh how I wish it could stay. Try to mend and darn it, but there are pieces gone astray. Maybe it's best to leave it alone, let time do its grace. Look back when I'm older, cherish every trace. Remember those steel blue skies where we danced like we owned the night. Every glance, every sigh, it felt so right. Now I'm holding on to memories just to fend off the cold, searching for a warmth in the tale we told. I'll hold the door open for you forever and more, as if to say we had it all, and I need you to restore. Best to leave it alone, maybe look back in old age, leave it be and hug one last time before we part our ways. In the silence, I'll hear your voice like a sweet refrain, broken zipper blues, but I'll play it all the same.